Hey everybody, Brian Waver with Acme Tools, here with another edition of What's in the Box. Let's get started and see what we have today. All right, what we've got is the Makita CXT 12-volt cordless multi-cutter. Let's open the box here and see what's included. Comes with the cutter, one blade, one battery, comes with the charger and the box. So just to demonstrate how well this works on cardboard, we're going to cut into our Acme Tools box here and show you how well it works. So nice clean edge. If you've been cutting cardboard for packing materials, things like that, this could be something that you're going to want to look into. We've got some other building materials available, and we're going to start cutting into those and see how well this unit performs. All right, so what we've got here would be a 3 mil contractor garbage bag. Typically, you're not going to be cutting your garbage bags, but it is going to be a material very similar to a landscaping plastic. So if you're a landscaper, you can take this, and that works really well. All right, so the next product we have is a foam underlayment for underneath laminate flooring. If the foam is not already attached to your laminate flooring, you've got to put this down. So let's see how well this works. And again, no problems. All right, so now the next material that we have is carpet. Just a normal carpet, anything you'd see in a residential setting. We're gonna cut it from the back first. And that actually cut a lot easier than I thought it was going to. So that cut really nice. So if you're a carpet installer, this could work. Let's see what it does for right side up. So say you're going to be doing a demolition of a room and you got a pull carpet. This would be the way you'd be cutting it. It's a little harder to push it through than it was backwards, but it's still not bad. Still cuts it fine. So if you're going to be pulling up a room full of carpet, you just got to get the tool into the carpet, and then you could use this to pull everything out. Definitely seems like a good cutter for carpeting. Okay, now that we've cut a lot of basic materials that you'd find around the house, we're going to try something that you normally wouldn't cut just to see how well it does. A lot of people are interested in cutting rubber. What we've got is a floor mat out of an older vehicle. We're going to try trim some off of the edge of this floor mat. Cut it very well. We're going to back up where it's a little bit thicker. You looked like it was struggling, and I would think it struggled a little bit on that. We are cutting quite a bit thicker material. I slowed my feed rate down quite a bit. So I think if you're going to be doing this a lot and you have this tool, just take your time and be patient. All right, we want to thank Makita for sending us the 12-volt CXT cordless multi-cutter. We want to thank you for watching, and remember to always do your best work.